Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube video playback speed not working problem. So let's see the solution. First of all, you need to update your YouTube app. So open Play Store and search YouTube. Just search YouTube and then just update your YouTube app. Just click on update and update YouTube app and then go back. Now follow second step. Just tap and hold on YouTube app and then just click on app info and then click on storage. Just clear cache data and clear all data. Just click on OK and then just go back and normally reboot your phone. After all this process, I hope your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.